I've received a lot of messages across social media in my inbox, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Everybody wants to know, hey Aaron, what phone should I buy? Should I go Android? Should I go Apple? Does Windows, are they still making a phone? I don't think Windows ever really made a phone, but Windows Mobile is kind of out the door. It's no longer going on anywhere for anybody. So I started thinking about this question. What smartphone should you buy?
Hey guys, Aaron here with For the Love of Tech, bringing you another video. The video today is about what smartphone you should buy. 2017 was a giant year for smartphones. Apple brought us the iPhone 8, the iPhone 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10. The iPhone 10 brought us a complete redesign of the iPhone with the edge-to-edge display, along with the elimination of the fingerprint reader on the front, and it brought us Face ID. And it also, lastly, brought us animojis. Can't forget those cute little guys. Who doesn't like being an animated poop every once in a while for a unicorn? I don't know why they do this, but LG always launches their phone quietly. Not quite secretly, but they don't make the splash. The LG V30 was a phone worth splashing about. It was a multimedia powerhouse. The headphone jack like none other, the surround sound microphone, the amazing camera, the wide angle lens. It's phenomenal. If you're just getting into vlogging or you're getting into YouTube and you need to have a phone that you can use to accomplish this, the LG V30 is your device. That launched this year. Don't knock it. It's an amazing device, way better than the LG G6. Something to think about. Let's talk about Samsung. 2016. I'm going to take it back there. Samsung brought us the Note 7. Oh, amazing device after my own heart. I loved it. It had the edge display. It had stylus. It had everything I've ever wanted. I didn't know it needed, and I loved it. And then I was on vacation. I got my notes. My batteries exploded. She says, hey man, your phone's about to explode. What are you talking about? Sure enough, I went through 3 notes before they finally discontinued the line. Goodbye, rest in peace, Galaxy Note 7. That's what happened in 2016. 2017, they redeemed themselves with smaller batteries, 3,000 milliamps, and this was the Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus. And it was a little bit of a redesign from the S7, and it was definitely a welcome design, but it did bring us that horrible fingerprint reader on the back, which we're not going to talk about. And next, 2017, third quarter, it brought us the Galaxy Note 8, and it redeemed itself except for that fingerprint reader. And it's an amazing device. It's still one of my all-time favorite devices of 2017. Even though you all know I'm a Pixel fan, that's what's in my pocket right now. I'm going to keep my Note 8 forever, and I'm probably never going to get rid of it. OnePlus. It's OnePlus. Well, they're brand new to the global cell phone market. They came up on the scene several years ago. They dropped the line OnePlus. Their phones have continued to get better and increase over the past few years. Now, they released in June OnePlus 5. There were complaints. There were things wrong with the phone. The manufacturer listened to the customers, and they said, okay, guys, we want to make you happy. They listened to their customers, and they made a new phone that year, which birthed the OnePlus 5T. And I still have one. It's a great phone, snappy, fast, face unlock like nothing you've ever seen before, quick fingerprint reader. The battery on it isn't the best, but man, it's a great phone, and it has that dash charge. So even if the battery's not amazing, It charges up super fast, so don't count OnePlus out for anything. It was introduced as a budget phone. It's not a budget phone. It can compete with the rest of them. It is a monster of a phone. It's missing that super AMOLED Quad HD display. That's okay. It's still a pretty good HD 1080p screen. So that's another great one of the set. Now we're going to talk about the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL. Something you need to know. The Pixel 2 is made by LG. The Pixel 2 XL is made by HTC. Google this year purchased the research and development team, which makes and designs the Pixel 2 XL for $1.1 billion. So Google has now purchased the team that makes its Pixel 2 XL. For the first time ever, we're going to have a phone designed by Google, made by Google. It's going to be pretty sweet. The Pixel 3, the Pixel 3 XL, whatever they call it, they're going to be phenomenal. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. The Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL had the top rated smartphone camera of 2017. Not just of 2017, of all times. If you're into pictures, this is the phone for you. It's phenomenal. Any amazing picture I've posted that you've looked at and you've given a thumbs up to or you like, it's come off the Pixel 2 XL. There's more phones that I'm not even bringing up. I'm just bringing up the ones that are at the top of my list. So your question to me today, Aaron, for the love of tech, you're the tech guy. You're the guy who reads and writes and goes through stuff. Which smartphone do I buy? You don't. I'm telling you right now not to buy a new smartphone. The reason is it's January of 2018. You can't pay for a phone in 2018 that was made in 2017. You're paying 2017 prices in 2018 without having 2018 technology yet. It's too soon, unless you fall under that unique category where you have to have a new phone right now. Then I suggest you go out, you reach out to me, we can talk about what your needs are, what your options are, and I will help you make the best decision of what phone is best for you. What I can share with you right now, do not buy a new phone. It's too soon in the year. Your options are about to double. Your price is about to get cut. Prices are going down. New phones are coming out. That's the way this works every single year. I don't want you to go out there and go purchase an LG V30 and then come creeping in about 2-3 months later, be like, you didn't tell me there was an LG G40. Well, there is an LG V40 coming out, so just calm down. If you want a new one, wait. Because as soon as you go and get last year's model and New Year's model comes up, you're going to have a big old giant case of FOMO setting in, and you're not going to blame me. For the love of tech, sit on your hands. Don't go buy a new phone. Hang on to your money and just wait until the new stuff comes out. All right, Internet, I think I've made my point. You can't go buy a new phone. Not yet. You just have to wait. We have a giveaway. Let's talk about the giveaway. This is going to be my biggest giveaway, hopefully, and my last one for several months. So I need you to participate as much as you can. This is what we're doing. On February 11th, we're doing a drawing, 9 a.m. my time, 7:30 p.m. New Delhi time. Making it for everybody. I'm giving away 100% guaranteed a set of Apple AirPods, Bose over-the-ear headphones, a Nintendo Switch, that is happening, and 3 sets of D-Brand skins, which shout out to D-Brand right now because D-Brand has agreed to supply me with those skins at their expense for my followers. So I reached out to them. They said, of course, we'll go ahead and hook you and your followers up. Just let me know who they are. Thank you, robots over at D-Brand. I have, for the first time ever, 2 conditional prizes. What's a conditional prize, Eric? It's a prize that has to have conditions met in order to win it. What are the conditions, Aaron? Super simple conditions. In my hand, right here, I have the Android Movado Connect smartwatch. In order for this bad boy to become available for the giveaway, my Louis Vuitton, this beautiful watch that I unboxed, the video has to hit 1,000 views by the end of this month. If you're watching the video, I'm making the video on January 28th, which means we only got a few more days, January 31st. That video has to hit 1,000 views in order for this watch to become eligible. In the event it doesn't, it's going to carry over to another giveaway. So maybe there will be another giveaway. Stop, Eric, stop doing giveaways. Stop. I'm trying to stop it. Next conditional giveaway. OnePlus 5T. That's what we're giving away. As long as the channel, before I start the giveaway and go live and hit 3,000 subscribers, I will add another OnePlus 5T to the giveaway. That's right. Who can win these prizes, Aaron? Anybody can win the prizes. Here's the deal. If I can ship to you out of the country free of charge, this is the international giveaway and I'm giving it away to you. If I have to ship to you and the international shipping is crazy expensive, you're going to have to pay for it, or you're just going to forfeit the giveaway somewhere else. But the OnePlus, I can order from OnePlus and have them ship it from whatever location, as long as there's one there locally. Apple with the AirPods, I can't ship out of the country. D-brand skins can ship just about anywhere. The other stuff, I'm going to work really hard on getting that shipped to you. I'm going to do everything I can to make this international for everyone. That's what I want you to know. I need 3,000 subscribers. How many do I have right now? 2,673. For the love of tech, go in your drawers, pull out your old electronics, share them with someone less fortunate, more fortunate, just someone who doesn't have them but wants it, and pay it forward. Repurpose it, reuse, and recycle. For the love of tech, namaste.